Hi guys, welcome to our channel Didma Paradise. So you must be wondering what's the meaning of Didma. So Didma means twin in Greek and paradise means a good present place. So the first video is going to be about our introduction so that you guys could know us better. Also there's a giveaway at the end, so stay tuned. Yeah, so my name is Diksha Sharma and I'm Vriti Sharma. So the first question is, how tall are we? So I'm 5'7" and I'm 5'6". Do you see yourself being on YouTube for a long time? Yeah, we do see us. So the next question is, what will be our channel be about? Our channel is going to be about fashion, lifestyle, beauty, and we would do some fun challenges and you guys could suggest us too. So the next question is, who inspired you to start a YouTube channel? There are many people who have inspired us. For example, Sejal Kumar, and our family, friends have motivated us, and here we are with our first video today. What's your favorite comfort food? Okay, so my favorite comfort food would be kathi rolls and pizza any day. So I'll be, I think, on burgers and fries. Yeah. So that's all for the video, and now coming to the fun part, that's the giveaway. So guys, we are giving away few goodies to one lucky subscriber, and the goodies are Godrej Pro Kit hand sanitizer, the Set Wet perfume, Lakme foundation, and the Lux body wash, Vaseline lip balm, and this Himalaya kajal. For all the rules, please don't forget to check out the description box and please participate in the giveaway. And that's all for today's video. Guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.